Good day, Sir Lee Arcayos. I am John Caldi Anyora from Section G2D, and my partner is Mark M. Sarguida. What is bilging? Bilging refers to the accidental flooding of a ship's compartment due to hull damage leading to water ingress. This can occur because of grounding, collision, or structural failure. Bilging directly impacts the vessel's buoyancy, stability, and overall safety. So ang bilging kay ang accidental flooding sa compartments sa barko tungod sa hull damage. May tabo ni siya kung naay grounding, collision o structural failure. So what is permeability? Permeability is the percentage of a compartment's volume that can be occupied by water when it is flooded. It is calculated as permeability equals volume of water that can enter divide by total value total volume of the compartments times 100. Permeability varies depending on the compartment type. Cargo holds equals 60 to 70%, passenger areas equals 85%, machinery spaces 85 to 95%, tank equals to 0 to 5% if fully loaded or higher if partially filled. Effects of bilging, permeability, and stability. 1. Loss of buoyancy. So kung mag-flood ang compartment sa barko, mawala ang buoyancy sa dihan space. This will cause the ship to sink deeper into the water. 2. Change in stability parameter. Bilging reduces the metacentric height because of the free surface effect in the flooded compartments. And the upward shift of the center of gravity. So tungod ani mas prone na ang barko sa rolling og less resistant na siya sa external forces. Number 3 is increase heeling or listing. So kung asymmetrical ang bilging, water increase cause the ship to list toward the damaged side. The unequal weight distribution exacerbates the effect, further reducing stability. Number 4, free surface effect. The water and the flooding compartments move dynamically, with the ship's motion creating a free surface moment that decreases stability. The impact is more severe in larger compartments with a high permeability. 5. Progressive flooding. High permeability in a compartment allows more water ingress, increasing the risk of adjacent compartments flooding. If watertight progressive flooding reduces buoyancy and stability further, potentially leading to upsides. Number 6, trim changes. Depending on the location of the flooded compartments, forward compartments cause the ship to trim by the bow. Aft compartment cause the ship to trim by the stern. Midship compartment cause the uniform sinking without significant trim.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Mark M. Sarbida from G2D, and I am the partner of John Keldy Anyura. I am going to read the critical factors influencing the effects. There are 4 critical factors. First is permeability. High permeability leads to a greater volume of water entering the compartments, worsening stability loss. Low permeability compartments or fully loaded tanks mitigate the effects of flooding. Second is compartment location. Flooding in lower compartment has a more pronounced impact on stability. Bilging near the ship's centerline affect trim more than stability, while flooding near the sides or endings impact both. Third is compartment size. Larger compartments cause more severe free surface effects and greater loss of buoyancy. Fourth is loading condition. A heavily loaded vessel with minimal freeboard has reduced reserve buoyancy, making bilging more critical. Mitigating the effects of bilging and permeability. First is watertight integrity. Regular inspection and maintenance of water bulkheads and hatches prevent progressive flooding. isigihan og inspection ang mga water type bulkhead og ang door og mga hatches sa every compartment para ma-prevent ang progressive sa flooding. Compartmentalization, subdividing the ship into smaller watertight compartments limits the extent of flooding and reduces its impact on stability. Ang mga i-divide daw into smaller ang mga watertight na compartments para ma-reduce ang impact sa stability. Baffles and dividers. Installing baffles in tanks minimizes the free surface effect during flooding. Ballasting operations. Counter-flooding or redistributing ballast water helps balance the ship and reduce less or heal. Damage control plans. Implementing emergency measures such as deploying pumps to remove waters slows or stops progressive flooding. Last is stability calculations. Regular assess damage stability using onboard stability software or manual calculations to ensure compliance with stability criteria. That's all. Thank you.